The following is the latest technical analysis in crypto news from Amassers.com.
You're about to get some good advice, but it's not financial advice. Check the disclaimer. Hi guys, once again, old Alfred's come around to see if you guys picking up what I'm putting down. We are going to jump right in. Today I'm going to be talking about Big Daddy Bitcoin, and of course I'm going to talk about some tips on using our crypto screener now, right after this important message.
Tired of missing the crypto boom? With Amassers.com's powerful crypto screener, you can catch coins pumping early in a new cycle. At Amassers, we spot trends and seize opportunities before the masses. When fear grips the market and prices plummet, our screener uncovers oversold gems using the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Buy low, sell high, and turn panic into profit. Combine it all with our new partnership with the world's best cryptocurrency aggregator SwapSpace, and you have convenient, easy access to the best real-time prices from 43 exchanges offering 3,500 plus coins. Founded by trading pros with 25 plus years of expertise, Amassers delivers proprietary tools, strategies, and education to supercharge your trades. Join the winners at Amassers.com today. Your edge in crypto awaits. Sign up free now.
Okay, let's take a look at Big Daddy Bitcoin. As you guys know, on our Twitter at Trader Alfred, you'll always see me put out these gray lines and shaded market maker zone. I put this out at the top of the week, and you can see we headed straight for the top, had a small sell-off, and again everybody's looking at October and how seasonality says October is usually one of the better months of the year. And what happens is the market makers start a push, okay, and all of these influencers, if you guys are out here trading under the influence, they're going to help them finish the push and keep moving the market up. And then you get, yay, all-time highs, great, okay, and it is, and I don't deny that. But let me tell you something. I want to put out some t-shirts, and I want to say chumps buy pumps, okay? Where do you want to buy at? You want to buy down here. What do you want to be doing here? You want to be taking profits up here. No, when somebody tells me how to profit by selling at a lower price than what you made the purchase at, hey, I'll change my mind. Up until then, you know, the last 25 years, I just been profiting the old-fashioned way by just silly and simple, but buying lower and selling higher. Okay, now what happens? We hold and suppress the price down here. For you moon boys, I'm telling you, yeah, market makers probably suppress the price here, and then it moves back up. Okay, where are we going on a year? Where are we heading to now? 150. Will we get there? Will we not get there? I don't know. You want to know where I think we're going to end up? Okay, I'll give you a chance to come back and leave weird comments in my videos. I think we're going to get to 153, 154. I've done my research pretty much year to date. All of my research indicates somewhere around then. Whether or not October is going to be one of the better months, September seasonality should have been one of the worst months, and really, honestly, it wasn't so bad. Technically, what's the lowest we usually do? In September, we do 6.25%, 6.5% down. That didn't happen. So, you know, you can't just rely on seasonality alone. That's kind of weird coming from someone who trades using statistical arbitrage. But I'm keeping it real. I always keep it real on this channel. Now, let's take a look at our crypto screener, and let's get some tips and ideas on how you could have bagged some money over there. Okay, we're over here on our crypto screener at Amassers.com, and I saved a snap of this day. We had low liquidity. Everything was selling on this day, and you can see the breadth here: 2 to the upside, 45 to the downside, and we're tracking about 50 coins and tokens. Now, here's something that stands out really quick and vivid for me is Dash. I see there's a yellow cautionary sign here, which means this is selling off, and this is selling off pretty extraordinarily. I come over here to the 30-day. I see we're just 50-50. I look at daily buy and sell programs. I see we're mostly moving to the downside on the day. So Okay, let's say I want to do some counter trend trading. I want to be a buyer when the price is extremely low. Okay, now let's go and look at a chart, because this is going to help me find where I may be interested in finding some plays with our crypto screener, but I still need a chart. Okay, I want to take a quick stop over here. This is CoinMarketCap. I want to see what is the price on Dash, because I'm going to go and use Dex Screener, but I want to make sure that I'm trading synthetic that's close to the actual price, because when you go out into the Badlands, sometimes there are lots and lots of fake tokens. Okay, now I see that today Dash is up. This is just the next day, guys. In the last 24 hours, it's up nearly 10%. Okay, now let's look at that on a chart. Okay, that was yesterday. This is a 4-hour chart, and you can see right here, we're almost through with the day. This is that day when we were getting that extraordinary move to the downside. That yellow cautionary signal would give you some pause and warning, but had you have done a little bottom fishing that day, you got the opportunity to make that quick 10%. Dash has been around for years. It's an older token. We saw on CoinMarketCap, it was still inside of the top 150 coins out there. And so I know a lot of guys love to chase the memes, love to chase whatever's clever at that particular time, but don't get caught up in the shiny object syndrome, because there are lots of tokens out here that, hey, there's opportunity when you see it arise to still make a profit, but with something a little bit more established and a little bit more secured, like this opportunity we just showed on the screener right there. Okay, maybe you want to get a little wild, but Alfred, I like to 10x, blah, 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 whatever. Okay, well, you can use something like BitUnix, which I often share on this channel, and get you a little leverage. And hey, maybe with a little leverage, this 10x could have been 50x with just 5x leverage. Okay, so that's how you make meme coin profits without necessarily taking so much of the meme coin risk. It's going to take a little work, but hey, I just thought you might want to know. That's all for this week, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Maybe later this week I'll come back and we'll do a wrap up for the week. That's all I got for right now, though. See you when I see you. Peace.